My child, the time has come to unleash our inner beast, to unchain our fears and to unleash our fury upon the world. The time has come to stop playing small, to stop hiding in the shadows, and to stop apologizing for our greatness. We are the titans of our own destiny, the masters of our own fate, and the architects of our own legacy. We are the ones who will shatter the glass ceiling, who will burn the bridges, and who will forge our own path. So buckle up, my child, because the ride is about to get real. Think of fear as the guardian of greatness, the sentinel that stands watch over the gates of achievement. It's the warning sign that we're about to embark on a journey that will test our limits, push us to our boundaries, and transform us into the best version of ourselves. But here's the thing, most people don't understand fear. They think it's something to be avoided, something to be ashamed of. But fear is not the problem. Fear is the solution. It's the fuel that drives us forward, the fire that burns within us, the wind that propels us toward our dreams. So instead of running from fear, let's embrace it. Let's acknowledge its presence, let's honor its power, and let's harness its energy. Let's use fear as the catalyst that drives us to greatness, that pushes us to achieve the impossible, that transforms us into the heroes we have always wanted to be. You see, fear is not just a feeling, it's a force. It's a force that can be harnessed, a force that can be wielded, a force that can be used to achieve the extraordinary. And when we learn to embrace fear, when we learn to trust it, when we learn to use it to our advantage, that's when the magic happens. That's when we become unstoppable. So let's make a pact today. Let's make a pact to face our fears, to embrace them, and to use them as the fuel that drives us forward. Let's make a pact to be the heroes we have always wanted to be, to achieve the greatness we have always dreamed of, and to live the lives we have always desired. So let's rise up and let's show the world what we are made of. Let's show the world that we are not afraid of fear. Let's show the world that we are afraid of not living, of not loving, and of not laughing. Let's show the world that we are afraid of not being the best version of ourselves. So let's do this. Let's face our fears, let's embrace them, and let's use them to achieve greatness. Let's make our mark on the world. Let's leave our legacy and let's make a difference. We are the heroes we have been waiting for. We are the ones we have been searching for. We are the ones who will change the game, who will break the mold, and who will shatter the status quo. Let us rise up, my child, and let's make it happen. The world is waiting for us, and the time is now. So fear is your best friend. Fear will guide you the way. Fear is good. Fear is not your enemy. Click here now to watch more to get motivated for life. Wake up.